Blossoms-3 Workbook, UNIT-2 The Recipe Book, Worksheet 2.10, page number 33-34. Reading comprehension. Read the paragraph. How to make tea. Take a bowl and pour some water in it. Add some tea powder and milk to the water. Put the bowl on the stove. Add some sugar to bring sweetness. Boil it for some time and filter it. Now the tea is ready to drink. Answer the following questions. First one, what is the passage about? Preparation of tea. Second one, what items do we need to prepare tea? Water, milk, tea powder and sugar. Third one, do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Fourth one, what is added to make tea sweet? Sugar. Fifth one, who takes tea in your home? My parents and grandparents. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. First one, who was the owner of the small hotel? Raju was the owner of the small hotel. Second one, why did people like the food in his hotel? The food was very tasty in Raju's hotel. Third one, what order did Raju get one day? He got a big order to cook for a dinner party. Fourth one, who helped Raju to cook food for the big party? The recipe book, pot, knife, mixer and the stove. Fifth one, how do you help your parents in the kitchen? I clean the vegetables, I clean the rice, I help to my mother while preparing food.